Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for creative DIY projects, home decor inspirations, garden decor ideas, patio makeover tips, handmade crafts, and budget-friendly design solutions. Our videos will help you transform your living room, upgrade your outdoor space, create stunning handmade decorations, discover easy DIY crafts, and identify modern home decor trends. We will also give you tips on backyard landscaping, patio decorating, recycled crafts, and seasonal decorations. Moreover, we will make detailed analysis and review of woodworking projects, furniture designs, and so much more. Our DIY home decor ideas, garden decorating and landscaping inspirations, patio design and outdoor living ideas are sure to make you wonder why you haven't come up with such ideas long ago. In addition, we will show you handmade crafts, creative projects which are budget friendly but could make your home makeover venture interesting. If you are interested with these topics, please subscribe for fresh daily DIY ideas. Give us your genuine comments and tell us what you want us to make video about. Hit the notification bell to never miss any of our upcoming videos.